Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in discussion 8, our very last assignment, the research paper, 120 points. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We have 2 links at the top, the due dates and the requirements. I will be clicking on and reading the information in these links after I've surveyed the rest of the assignment with you. Okay, so we have a part 1 and we have a part 2. And we have help with quoting, as this is a research paper and you will be quoting extensively. All right, let's scroll up to part 1, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can read it more easily. Part 1, in this assignment, you're writing your research paper about this topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? For this research paper, you may use any of the writings you have already completed in this class, in whole or in part, as long as you fit them smoothly and logically into your research paper. If you participated in all class assignments and earn a higher grade for this research paper than you did for your previous essays, then all your lower grades will be dropped and your research paper will become your class grade. To learn about this pedagogy or teaching method and grading system, click here for the workshopping the essay policy. And I'm going to click here, and we come into the workshopping the essay policy, which I've essentially just read to you, but I'll read it one more time. At the end of the semester, you will write a research paper. All class writings can be used in the research paper as long as they are integrated smoothly and logically into the research paper. If you complete all writings and related assignments and earn a higher grade on the research paper than on previous writings, then all lower grades will be dropped and the research paper grade will become the class grade. Okay, let's click on the back arrow and get back into the assignment. We have help with your research paper in this link here. So I'm pulling it up. And it is the Lucy Marvell essay we read at the beginning of class, and it's not a complete essay. It's an annotated outline, and the title, of course, is Students, the Buck Stops with You. We analyzed this annotated outline extensively, and you may use it as a model. Please make sure you do not copy any part of that this essay, because we need to see your own original work in this essay. Okay, but it does show you how to integrate information into your research paper from your discussion work. All right, I'm going to go back into our discussion directions, and we are at part 2. Click here on this link for peer evaluation directions, and I'm going to click here. And the peer evaluations for the term paper or research paper come up. You'll need to read these very carefully and follow them. Okay, so I'm clicking on the back arrow, and I'm back into our directions for the research paper, and I will click on our first link, the due dates. So the due dates, a timeline for the research paper, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, June 2nd, 2019, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, June 3rd, 2019. Now, if you cannot meet this timeline, you need to come over here to inbox and you need to have a conversation with me. Tell me what's going on, why you cannot submit on time. You must complete the research paper to earn a grade in the class, and that is written in my syllabus. So if you've completed all the assignments but you haven't completed the research paper, you may be eligible for an incomplete grade, which will give you more time to complete the research paper. I understand things happen, and it's unfortunate, but I may be able to give you extended time. We'll have to look at what the problem is, why you cannot submit on time. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment and I'm clicking on the requirements for the research paper. So the first requirement is our topic, and you know it. Why are American student success rates so low? And what's the solution or solutions to this problem? Our length is 1,500 words, 6 double-spaced pages minimum. We have 10 sources minimum, 10 quotations, 3 primary sources, original sources. 2 of these sources must be the Nation's Report Card 2015 and the National Center for Education Statistics, and 1 source must be a quotation from a peer's Discussion 1 video or discussion posting. You'll also have 5 discussion sources. Choose 5 articles from discussions 4 through 7. You'll have 1 library database source. It must be a source you find on your own and should have been published within the last 3 to 5 years. See the video below about how to access databases and find database articles. And here is our video here. And of course, you must use MLA format. So use correct MLA format, 8th edition. I'm going to click on the back arrow now. And we are back into discussion 8, our final assignment, the research paper for 120 points. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. Please don't hesitate to email me at this point in the semester. You know that I answer emails promptly, and no question or concern is silly or unimportant to me. Email me as many times as you need to until the assignment is clear to you. All right, let's get going on discussion 8, the research paper, 120 points.